So tasty. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a banana medley smoothie. Yes, you hear right, banana medley smoothie. Okay, so before I go into the video, remember to like, share and comment. Tell me what you think about my videos. Remember to share with your families. Thank you my subscribers. Thank you for always commenting and liking my videos. Alright, thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. And all my visitors too, just like the same. I appreciate you. Please subscribe before you leave. Alright, thank you so much. So today I will be making for you banana medley smoothie. Alright, so I have here red bananas. So guys, when you have the red bananas and they are going wacky, meaning they're getting soft, you can always use them to make your smoothie. Okay, and I have some other fruits in this dish. Yeah, consists of pineapple, cantaloupe, melon and grapes. I have some milk, my yogurt, and I have some vanilla, cinnamon here, yeah, cinnamon sugar right here. Okay, so and I have my bullet, so I'm gonna get started. Yeah, first I'm gonna peel my banana and then to my bullet, peel them, cut them up nicely so that it will help. Yummy. Alright, so I'm gonna add the milk. So guys, if you notice I didn't have anything frozen, I'm just using the fresh fruits, the frozen fruits. Cover. A banana medley smoothie all done. I'm gonna glass this for you. Just look at it guys, how it's nice, creamy and delicious. Look at it, you will love it. The children them will love it. Okay guys, so delicious, guys. And I'm gonna add the cinnamon spice in it. It have a little sugar taste. Yes, you will love it, guys. So delicious. Try and make this smoothie, guys. You will love it. Yum, yum, yummy. Very, 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 very good. So this is a banana medley smoothie. It mostly consists of banana. So go ahead and try it. It's banana with some other fruits: pineapple, melon, grape, cantaloupe, yogurt, and half glass of milk. You can use whole milk, you can use organic milk, you can use non-fat milk. So go ahead and try this lovely smoothie, guys. You will love it. It tastes so good, so creamy.